It's like going back home. As I was born in Atlanta, Georgia, moved up north where everything was supposed to be different. In the South at that time, you knew what the minority race could do or couldn't do, shouldn't do. And while you're down south, you hear all these stories about all the freedom that's up here in the north. Well, it wasn't. Things were hidden. You more or less. So when you came up here, you were surprised that you had as much freedom as you had, but really you didn't, because as soon as you went out, stepped out of your line and tried to do something, you were always knocked back down. Very difficult. Therefore, it kept you from getting ahead. Now, I'm going back now to the early years back in the 40s, 30s and 40s. We had activists, we had people out wanting freedom for the minority races. We had all of that going on. And most of us saner people thought they were crazy, that would never happen. You know, Stokely Carmichael and all those guys. But they were out there doing what they thought should be done. And my wife Cora and I were getting involved with the local boyhood hero who was W.E.B. Du Bois here in Great Barrington, trying to hang with his thoughts and weigh what he was talking about against what Booker T. Washington was talking about, seeing how the two to get together. It's like with any other ethnic groups. There are always some on one side and some on the other. So you got to pick a line. You got to be strong enough and determined enough to go out and do what you feel like you can do.